Hi guys, it's Dee and welcome back to Dee's Yard. So today I'm going to pot up my first ever succulent arrangement, and I'm a complete beginner when it comes to succulents, so you guys will have to let me know in the comments on how I did. But my birthday was in June, and one of my girlfriends gave me this awesome and very thoughtful gift from this company called Succulent Studios. They sent out 2 succulents every month for 3 months. How awesome is that? So I just got my last shipment in just now, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and then I'm going to attempt to do this arrangement. Okay, so before I do this unboxing, let me go ahead and show you what I have so far. One of the first ones that I got in the mail is the aloe vera. Everybody knows that one, right? The next one I got is called Moon Silver. And during the shipment, one of these leaves fell off, so I just stuck it back in the soil in an attempt to propagate it, and sure enough, it already has roots. And then I'm going to butcher this name, but it's called Graptiosedum bronze. That's pretty. And then probably my favorite one thus far is an echeveria. I think that's how you call them, and it's a Mexican snowball. And that's pretty. Okay, so let's see the new ones that I got. And again, it's from Succulent Studios, and the shipment on this box is looking rough. Hopefully everything in there is okay. It's coming all the way from California. That was easy enough. Ooh. A copper sedum is going to be in here, and a golem jade. Alright, so there's definitely a lot of soil in there just from the shipment, but looks like they're just fine. I really like the way that they handle these succulents because they put them in these biodegradable pots, so you could actually just pot them just like that, or you can remove them. So this must be the copper sedum. That's fun. And then this must be the golem jade. Awesome. Now I was hoping I was going to get a trailing succulent just because I don't have any right now. That's awesome. I got a couple more for height, but I kind of wanted something to spill over the edge, but hey, that's all right. These are super cool. All right, so let me get this box out the way. Okay, so the pot that I'm going to use is from Michael Carr Designs. I think I just got this at Ace Hardware, and I did not want to put a hole in this pot because I think I'm going to use it for something else inside the house. So in the meantime, I just have this nursery pot that has holes at the bottom, and that's what I'll pot them in, and then just stick it in here for aesthetic reasons. So the first thing I'm going to do is put in some potting soil, and I am using this potting mix that's for cactus because I want excellent drainage, and it even says on it, great for succulents. So I'll probably fill this like halfway. Maybe a little bit more. All right, so I'm actually putting it pretty full. And I guess I'll just stick the succulents in there. All right. So looking at these succulents in this pot right off the bat, I don't think I'm gonna have room for the aloe vera. Plus I think I need to put that on its own anyhow because it's gonna get massive. So let me just work with the other succulents first, and then we'll see how it looks. I do want to take this one out. Little baby roots. I don't know if you could see that. Okay, so I got everything in there, and I can't believe everything fit. I actually really like the way it looks. That's fun. Okay, so now I'm just going to brush off some of the soil. Okay, so now I'm just going to water it in. Okay, and for the last step, I pick up these river rocks. I think I just picked them up at Lowe's, just to top dress. Ta-da! There you have it, my first succulent arrangement. Oh my goodness, I love it. Now these are baby succulents, so I'll definitely have to repot them at some point. I'm surprised they honestly all fit. So the last step that I'll have to do is next time I water them, I'll add in a succulent or cactus fertilizer, just so I can start feeding them. So I think what I'm gonna do is just leave this right outside here on my back porch as a centerpiece for my coffee table, because it is gorgeous. I love it. So thank you guys so much for joining me in my first succulent arrangement and unboxing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.